So for the past like 2 years, the unboxing events have been going strong, and it finally ends today. So I'm just trying to get as much as I possibly can. I mean, I'm not gonna get anything. Well, okay, what if I got Clover right now? That would be, oh my goodness. This is it. Thanks for sticking with my channel ever since I was a nobody screaming in barrels. This is it. It's been an adventure. It's the end of a reign of Felix Arvid Olshelberg. With all the controversies, buttholes, you've been by my side. There's no army in the world that would rather give me watch time. So, it's been a wild ride, but while I can still be heard, thanks, Brofist. A congratulations, it's a celebration, party all day, I know you've been waiting. A congratulations, it's a corporation, guess it need a million boys who need a couple ages. Yeah, you did it very nice, and all you took was a massive corporate entity. Oh no! Uh-oh! Oh no, we're stuck! Oh no! The board? Guys! Oh no! Oh! If you leave, you can't get back into the event. Woo! Let's go! Oh my goodness! Uh oh. Okay. At the end. Oh yeah. I don't think there's much I can buy. Let's see. Moon Bunny. I already have that! Let's buy a Vince Potion. Uh. Oh no. Let's just buy everything. Okay. Oh wait. The unboxing sim should have grandmom. Oh yeah, it is like H3H3 trap. 1 minute. Okay. Oh, grandmom sucks at Roblox. I'm surprised there's no rainbow right there. Okay, well this is a little unexpected, so I mean, I don't really want to just record this, so I'll be back. When something silly happens. Okay, it's 12 minutes after the event, and a rainbow egg just spawned. Wait, Vera, I thought you got kicked. Where is it? Oh, shop. So hopefully, like, I get something. I swear.
Oh my goodness! Ah! My goodness! Oh my goodness! I was opening a green egg. That was so unexpected. Uh, uh-oh. What? Uh-oh. Well, I think that's it. Did my internet actually go down? Well, wait, I gotta see. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Oh no. I'm scared. I think it's finally happened. The end of the Easter event. Oh, oh, it's gone! Oh my goodness! Well, okay, so I'm uploading this video on two separate channels. One of them, I did a lot of streams and videos of the event, and the other, I did nothing. So, that's the end of the Easter event. It was very fun, but here's all my progress. So I got all of these except Clover Overlord, and I didn't get any of the mythics or flying turtles. And oh no, my quest is still here. Oh well, that's gonna do it for Unboxing Simulator until June 11th, I think. Yep. No, June 17th. So yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!